Hey there, and welcome. If you're just getting started in trading, maybe you've heard about stocks, options, or crypto, but you're not sure where to begin, then this video is made for you. Today I'm going to walk you through 5 simple but powerful things every new investor must know before placing their first trade. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple, real, and beginner friendly. Let's start with this. Trading is not the same as investing. Investing is like planting a tree. You buy something and hold it for years, hoping it grows slowly and steadily, like retirement savings. Trading, on the other hand, is more like surfing. You're riding waves, trying to catch short-term price movements. This could mean buying and selling something within a day, or even minutes. Both are important, but if you confuse the two, you could end up taking risks you're not ready for. So always ask yourself, am I trading for a quick move, or investing for the long haul? Now here's something most people ignore. You don't need a ton of money to start trading. Start small. Even $100 to $500 is enough to learn the basics, or you can start with paper trading, which means using fake money to practice without any risk. And here's a golden rule. Right finger only risk money you can afford to lose. Don't use rent money. Don't use emergency savings. Smart traders usually risk 1 to 2% of their total account per trade. That way, one mistake won't wipe out your whole balance. Would you drive a car without learning how the pedals work? Of course not. So don't trade unless you know the basics of your platform and your tools. Here are a few essentials to start with. Candlestick charts. These show price movement over time. Indicators, like RSI, Relative Strength Index, and moving averages, which help you decide when to buy or sell. Stop losses. These protect you from losing too much on a trade. Take your time and explore platforms like TradingView or Thinkorswim. Watch free tutorials. Build confidence before putting real money on the line. This one is huge. Your emotions can make or break your trading success. It's easy to feel excited when things go up, or scared when they fall. But emotional decisions usually lead to big losses. You might hear phrases like, "Don't chase the green candles." "Stick to your plan." "Cut losses quickly, let winners run." All of this boils down to this: create a plan before you trade, and don't let fear or greed change it. Discipline matters more than being right all the time. Here's something every new trader must accept: you will lose money sometimes. And that's okay. Even professional traders lose trades regularly. What matters is that you learn from it. Write down what happened. What was your entry and exit? Why did you take the trade? What could you do differently next time? This is called journaling your trades, and it's one of the most underrated tools for becoming a better trader over time. So let's quickly recap. Trading is short-term. Investing is long-term. Know the difference. Start small, and only risk what you can afford to lose. Learn your tools before you trade. Keep emotions out of your trades. Losses happen, learn from them. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading tips. And remember, it's a journey. Take your time, stay curious, and always trade with a plan.